So who just saw that?
I
popped it. We're on a 300-degree slope facing northwest, approximately 26 degrees, and I just popped our column, cutting it with my ski, which is a bummer, but we'll see if anything else is in there. Yeah, this one's useless. Oh well. Oh, there we go. So CT13 at, I don't know, 20 centimeters. 30 centimeters. CT13 is not great. So we got one fracture pretty clean right here, and then we had another fracture down low.
Is that the one that popped?
Yeah, that's the one that popped when I cut it. I think that's just as far as my cut went, about 90 centimeters down. Certainly glad we're on a 26-degree slope and not like a 35-degree slope.
Yeah.
I would say very interesting data. The snowpack is really well consolidated. We had like really easy 4-finger, 3-finger, 2-finger, 1-finger profile down, and then there's a pretty light layer right around here. Definitely some unconsolidated snow, pretty deep right around this 90 centimeter fracture. And interesting times up here. We're just off of Lolo Pass, about 45 minutes skin from the car.